Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Hi, welcome to Tuesday, June 18th. Today we are using Duet and installing this on a PC. Under the Help Center at the very bottom is where they actually have the download for Windows or Mac for Duet. Duet costs, I believe it was about $20, and what it allows me to do is fire up the software and then actually connect to an external display, which is in this case, iPad. And the iPad is my display number 2 off to the right of my computer. And you can see down here that I can decide landscape. If I use the iPad in portrait orientation,
Duet actually closed the recording in PowerPoint when I switched to portrait. But here's a picture of the wired connection I have to my iPad. And you can see that it's a secondary display to the right of my current display. Within the display properties setting dialog box, I could change the orientation as well as the location, but the orientation of the iPad automatically shifts based on where it is. It also supports touch. This final screenshot is a different iPad, in this case an iPad mini, and you can see that it is landscape. So to the right of my current display, it's off to the right-hand side, still supporting touch. So it works with any of the iPads, Windows 10, Windows 7 or above, and the Mac OS as well. The other way I can wirelessly project in Windows 10 is under Project. I can actually connect to a wireless display from here. And you'll notice in the list, besides a generic plug-and-play monitor, I could see other computers like my other Surface laptop. And the way I connect to that is at the bottom of this dialog box, projecting to this PC by setting up these settings, including whether I have to be plugged into a power source or not to be discovered by another computer. And that's how you set up wireless projection in Windows 10.